viewers, welcome to my channel Chalk and Duster. Today we are going to learn briefly about the British rule in India. See here, after gaining the supremacy over the strong part of South India, Carnatic region, Britishers wanted their supremacy over the strong province of Bengal. Bengal was very rich in agriculture, commerce and industry. So their next target, Bengal was there. They wanted supremacy over the Bengal. So that's why they moved towards to Bengal. Here, Farrukhsiyar, he was the Mughal ruler. He started a license that was known as the work permit license or work permit for the European trade countries. फर्रुखसियार जो था उसने जो भी बाहर से आए हुए यूरोपियन कंट्रीज थे उन लोगों को अगर हिंदुस्तान में ट्रेड करना है, बिजनेस करना है, तो उन लोगों के लिए एक लाइसेंस, एक ट्रेड बिजनेस करने के लिए लाइसेंस इशू किया था, जिसको हम वर्क परमिट भी कहते हैं. तो उसके तहत जिसके पास वर्क परमिट होगा वही बंगाल में बिजनेस कर सकता था. दिस लाइसेंस or the work permits were known as the Dastakhats, which was issued by the Farrukhsiyar. He was the Mughal ruler. So here the Britishers, they started misusing the Dastakhats. Misusing means they started, the Dastakhats were issued only for some of the Britishers, but they started that giving that to all their European friends, and also like this the Indian market was suffered because of misusing the Dastakhats. So this led the opposition of the Nizams of Hyderabad, Nawabs of. So this led the opposition of Nawabs. All the Nawabs of Bengal, they opposed to this misuse of Dastakhats. Murshid Ali Khan, from the Murshid Ali Khan to Nawab Ali Vardi Khan, they all opposed to Britishers. Why? Because they started misusing the Dastakhats. So here, this resulted the crucial wars, War of Plassey, Battle Plassey and Battle of Buxar. So this is the British rule in India, and after this how the Battle of Plassey was happened and what are the results, outcome, we are going to learn in next slide. So let's move towards to next slide. Battle of Plassey. See friends, already we know that the misuse of Dastakhats was happened by British officials or the British East India Company. They started misusing the Dastakhats. So that's why all the Nawabs of Bengal, they opposed to this misuse of Dastakhats. But when the Ali Vardi Khan, he died in the year 1756, his grandson Sirajud-Dowlah got a throne. He became the new Nawab of Bengal. Sirajud-Dowlah, a young Nawab of Bengal, he get to know that how the Britishers, they are going to misuse the Dastakhats. He was very able Nawab of this. So in the year 1757, Battle of Plassey took place between the young Nawab Sirajud-Dowlah and the Britishers. What are the reasons of the Battle of Plassey? So the strong three reasons were there for this Battle of Plassey. The first reason, misuse of Dastakhats. We know that how the British East India Company and officials of the British East India Company, they started misusing of the Dastakhats. What is the meaning of Dastakhats? The trade permit which was issued or the implemented by the Farrukhsiyar. Farrukhsiyar, he was the Mughal ruler, but they started misusing the Dastakhats. So that's why this was the major reason for the Battle of Plassey. Sirajud-Dowlah, he was not happy with this misuse of Dastakhats, so he was very angry with the Britishers. The second one, what they did, the Britishers, without the permission of the Bengal government, Sirajud-Dowlah, the Nawab of Bengal, they started mending the fort walls without the permission. So this was also made very unhappy to the Nawab of Bengal. So this was the second important major reason for the Battle of Plassey. What is the second major reason for the Battle of Plassey? इन लोगों ने, ब्रिटिशर्स ने बिना इजाजत के बंगाल के नवाब की बिना इजाजत के फोर्ट वॉल्स बनाना शुरू कर दिया, अपने फोर्ट वॉल्स को बिल्ड करना शुरू कर दिया बिना इजाजत के. सो ये बहुत बड़ा एक रीजन था बंगाल की गवर्नमेंट का बैटल ऑफ प्लासी के लिए. सो द नेक्स्ट वी मूव टुवर्ड्स टू नेक्स्ट थर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट reason for Battle of Plassey, Black Room tragedy. Here, Black Room tragedy is the third important major reason for this. What happened in this Black Room tragedy? Siraj-ud-Daulah, he conquered the Fort William and he imprisoned 146 Englishmen in a small room. Because of suffocation, 123 died in this. So this thing was called Black Room tragedy in the history of modern India. So this was the third important major reason for Battle of Plassey. Battle of Plassey का तीसरा बहुत ही important reason जो था, सिराजुद्दौला ने फोर्ट विलियम पे अटैक किया और वहां पे 146 इंग्लिशमैन जो थे उनको लाकर एक छोटे से कमरे में बंद कर दिया. दम घुटने की वजह से, सांस न ले पाने की वजह से उनमें से 123 इंग्लिशमैन मर गए, जिसकी वजह से ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी को नवाब सिराजुद्दौला पर बहुत गुस्सा आया. सो ये तीसरा बहुत बड़ा कारण था बैटल ऑफ प्लासी के लिए. सो here we finish the reasons of Battle of Plassey. The first, misuse of दस्तक. किस तरह उन लोगों ने बिना इजाजत के दस्तखत का मिसयूज किया. सेकेंड रीजन, बिना इजाजत के फोर्ट वॉल बनाना शुरू कर दिया. तीसरा, सिराजुद्दौला ने जो ब्रिटिशर्स को एक छोटे से कमरे में बंद कर दिया, जिसकी वजह से 123 ब्रिटिशर्स की मौत हो गई. ये सबसे बड़े और बहुत ही ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रीजंस थे बैटल ऑफ प्लासी के लिए. सो नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू मूव टुवर्ड्स टू. So in this battle we are going to learn how the battle was happened. In Siraj-ud-Daula's army, 50,000 soldiers and 40 cannons and 10 war elephants were there. So what happened? The Britishers are very hesitate, or you can say they are very worried about this, that how they will give defeat to this large number of army. So they went to the Mir Jafar. The Britishers went to the Mir Jafar. Mir Jafar, he was the military head of Siraj-ud-Daulah, and they convinced him that he have to give his support to them. If the war will be in favor of British East India Company, they will declare him as a new Nawab of Bengal. So this is the cunning policy of British East India Company. So the Robert Clive, the major part of Governor Robert Clive, that he went to the Mir Jafar. Who was he? Mir Jafar. Mir Jafar was the military leader of Siraj-ud-Daulah. So he went to him and he gave a bribe to him, and he convinced to Mir Jafar, and with this the Mir Jafar gave his full support to Britishers. He went to his army with Rai Durlab, Yar Lutuf Khan, and they assembled near to battlefield, but actually they didn't did anything. They just went there for namesake. Like this, the 3,000 soldiers, only 3,000 soldiers of Robert Clive, they gave defeat to Siraj-ud-Daulah's 50,000 soldiers, 40 cannons and 10 war elephants. This was a very sad thing for we Indians, that our own peoples, they gave their support to Britishers. So like this battle was fully in favor of British East India Company. Like this, the battle was ended victory of British East India Company. The young or the last Nawab of Bengal, Sirajud-Dowla, he was tried to escape from the battlefield, but he was captured and killed by the British East India Company. So here the war was ended with the victory of British East India Company. So next to move towards to outcomes. This war brought lack of unity. ये जो वॉर थी, इस वॉर ने हमें बता दिया कि हिंदुस्तानियों में यूनिटी नहीं है, एकता नहीं है, और लालच और हमारी डिसयूनिटी का एक ये मिसाल देती है ये वॉर. So this war brought lack of unity and immorality and greed among the Indians. So after this, the Mir Jafar, as they said after the war, they will declare Mir Jafar as the new Nawab of Bengal. Like this only, they declared Mir Jafar as the new Nawab of Bengal. Mir Jafar became the new Nawab of Bengal, and East India Company gained complete exclusive power on Bengal province. They started their business from Bengal without any restrictions. Now they don't wanted the dastakats, they don't wanted any permission from any Nawab, so they started without any permission their trade business, their powers, they started from the Bengal province. And Mir Jafar, he paid rupees 17 corner and 70 lakh to as relief to Sirajud-Dowla's attack on Fort William. He have to pay. Sirajud-Dowla ने जो फोर्ट विलियम पे अटैक करके जो ब्लैक रूम ट्रेजेडी का जो हुआ था, उसकी वजह से जो प्रॉब्लम्स फेस हुई थी, सिराजुद्दौला के बिहाफ में मीर जाफर ने 17 कॉर्नर्स मीन 17 टुकड़े जमीन के और 70 लाख रुपीस ब्रिटिशर्स को दिए एज अ वॉर कंपनसेशन और द एज अ यू कैन से के उसके बिहाफ में उसने इतने सारे पैसे और इतने सारे रीजन्स ब्रिटिशर्स को दिए. सो नेक्स्ट मूव टुवर्ड्स टू हाउ द थिंग्स वाज हैपन आफ्टर द becoming the Nawab of Bengal, Mir Jafar. See, we know that we learned in previous slides that Mir Jafar की cunningness और greed की वजह से the सिराजुद्दौला जैसा बहुत ही अच्छा जो नवाब था उसको हारना पड़ा, सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने एक मिलिट्री लीडर की ग्रीड की वजह से. सो जब वो ग्रीडी पर्सन और जो लालची इंसान जब तख्त पे बैठा, जब वो क्राउन पे बैठा, तो क्या हुआ? मीर जाफर जब नवाब बना, व्हेन मीर जाफर बिकेम नवाब, the Britishers started continuously misusing the things of Bengal province. So after this, the treasure was became bankrupt. They started misusing the treasure of Bengal. So this made Britishers unhappy. उन लोगों ने ही पूरा उसको खत्म कर दिया. लास्ट में डिक्लेयर क्या कर दिया कि मीर जाफर की इनएफिशिएंसी की वजह से खजाना जो है वो खत्म हो गया. सो विद दिस रीजन दे डिक्लेयर्ड मीर जाफर इनएफिशिएंट नवाब ऑफ बंगाल. सो दे throw him out from the Nawab of Bengal and they brought his nephew Mir Qasim as new Nawab of Bengal. क्या किया उन लोगों ने? एक रीजन देकर कि ये मीर जाफर जो है वो अभी लायक नहीं है नवाब के पोस्ट की, बिकॉज ही वॉज नॉट एबल फॉर दिस पोस्ट. सो उसको उठा के फेंक दिया और उसी का जो भतीजा था, उसका नाम था मीर कासिम, उसको नवाब डिक्लेयर कर दिया. यहाँ पे कंफ्यूजन अक्सर most of my students, they will get confused in between Mir Jafar, Mir Qasim. So that's why I kept the serial wise photos here. First Mir Jafar, again Mir Qasim, and again Mir Jafar. So like this you can understand in better way. So next Mir Qasim. So Mir Qasim became the new Nawab of Bengal after Mir Jafar. So when he became the new Nawab of Bengal, he started studying the things of British East India Company, we get to know that how the British East India Company started the misusing of Dastakhats and how they are looting the treasure of Bengal. So that's why he declared himself as an independent Nawab of Bengal. So this made Britishers very unhappy. जब ब्रिटिशर्स ने मीर कासिम को नवाब बनाया तो मीर कासिम ने पहले तो उन लोगों की बहुत मदद की, ब्रिटिशर्स की, क्योंकि वो बहुत खुश था कि मीर जाफर को हटा के मुझे नवाब बनाया गया है। मगर वो एक बहुत ही अच्छा नवाब था। उसने क्या करना शुरू कर दिया, ये ब्रिटिशर्स की जो पॉलिसीज हैं, मिसयूजिंग है, वो उसको स्टडी करना शुरू कर दिया। और जब उससे पता चला कि ब्रिटिशर्स खजाने का मिसयूज कर रहे हैं तो उसने अपने आप को एक आजाद राजा डिक्लेयर कर दिया। सो ये जो चीज थी ब्रिटिशर्स को बहुत बुरी लगी। सो लाइक दिस ब्रिटिशर्स अगेन दे थ्रो मीर कासिम आउट फ्रॉम द post of Nawab and again they declared Mir Jafar as the new Nawab of Bengal. The British treasures suffered a lot, so that's why this was happened. Again, finally what they did, again because of Mir Qasim, he declared himself as the independent Nawab of Bengal. They again thrown him and again they declared Mir Qasim as the new Nawab of Bengal. This is the consequences and situations of this Battle of Plassey. This is the last section of the Battle Plassey. That first who became after the Sirajud-Dowlah declared Sirajud-Dowlah Britishers they declared Mir Jafar as the Nawab. पहले तो मीर जाफर को नवाब बनाया। जब मीर जाफर को संभालना नहीं आया नवाब की गद्दी तो उसको हटाकर उसी के भतीजे को मीर कासिम को नवाब बनाया। जब मीर कासिम ने अपने आप को इंडिपेंडेंट रूलर डिक्लेयर किया, जब उसने मना कर दिया ब्रिटिशर्स की बात मानने से, तो उसको हटाकर फिर पहले वाले ही नवाब को उन्होंने क्या कर दिया, नवाब का पोस्ट दे दिया। सो दिस इज द consequences of Battle of Plassey. So we learned in this chapter about what we learned in this chapter. We learned about how the Battle of Plassey was fought, how what are the reasons for the Battle of Plassey, and what are the outcomes and what are the consequences, how the Mir Jafar, Mir Qasim and Mir Jafar became the Nawab of Bengal. So here we finish the chapter. Hope you are doing well, you are understanding my lecture. If you have any query, any questions regarding to this chapter, you can ask me in the description box, in the comment section. Inshallah, I will try to give your questions answers. Hope you are doing well, stay safe, be at home. Thank you for watching the channel.